A lot of bookkeepers starting a business believe that they don't need a niche just yet. You just want your first client, any client, and you believe that you'll figure it out later. But that mindset, thinking that way, is usually what makes getting clients harder, not easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how niching down can actually help you get clients faster by making your message clearer, your confidence stronger, and your outreach feel more natural, more like you. Stick around because I'm walking you through a tool that will help you to choose a profitable niche and turn it into real messaging you can start using right away. Hey, I'm Veronica Sagastumi, and you're watching The Bookkeeping Shop. Today, I'm sharing a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of Nisha the Niche Matchmaker, a tool that I created and personally have trained to help bookkeepers like you to stop overthinking and start moving forward. I'll also include links in the description of this video for Nisha the Niche Matchmaker when you're ready to check it out, and any other resources that I mentioned throughout this video. All right, let's jump in. All right, here we are at my desktop, and you can see that I'm already logged into Nisha the Niche Matchmaker. For those of you who have already purchased this from me, you know that this also comes with what I call the Profit Booster, which is an extensive list of 1,000 industries where bookkeepers can truly excel. And I just want to make sure that you realize that niching down actually does not limit you. It actually opens up a world of opportunities for you to explore and serve, unlocking unbeatable profitability and incredible growth potential for your business. I'm going to link to other videos where I go into a deeper dive as to why it's important that you select a niche and how it can benefit you and how it can become a much more profitable opportunity in your business. But today is all about showing you how you can actually work within the Niche Matchmaker bot. This has been trained by me. It's got a couple of different documents that are lengthy. Some are just 40 pages, others are 100 pages, but there's a lot of training that went on behind it. And you can make it as short and vague as you want or as detailed as specific. Not only about selecting your niche, but as you're going to see in a few moments, I'm also going to show you once you select your niche, you can use that to your benefit to customize and personalize your messaging for your prospects that you can share on your tagline, your email signature, your social media posts if you choose to go that way, or even when you do a direct outreach message. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. When you purchase Nisha the Niche Matchmaker, there's a couple of links that you will get access to. One link will go to Nisha, which is inside of ChatGPT. As you can see, I've got different prompts here. Whichever one you choose, it'll guide you to the next step. And so for me, I want to say, I have no idea where to start. Can you guide me? So let's go ahead and click that option. And you will see that because of the training that I've given to the bot, you're able to use this chat bot that I have personalized and trained with the free version of ChatGPT. But it will limit you as to how many prompts you can do on a daily basis. When you have the paid version of ChatGPT, you can do as many prompts as you want. It's limitless. Okay, so you can see that here it's got a little bit of a script. So I'll just go ahead and let you take a look at that. And I just want to point out where she's saying, type your answers in English. You're in good hands. And it's going to coach you through each one. It says, do you already have experience in any industry from your job, studies, or personal network? For example, healthcare, construction, creative services. Let's pretend that I'm going to say, I used to work in a dentist office, okay? And so it's just very conversational. Your answer can be as detailed as you want or as vague as you want. And right now, here, it's just thinking. And it gives you a little bit of the next steps, like that's a great place to start. You have an advantage. Gives you a little bit more information on the dental. We're absolutely keeping dental practices on your niche. That's great. Now, I said dentist office, but I could have said a couple of other things too, but I want to keep it simple to start with, okay? So then it says, which client size feels like the best fit for you? And what we've done here is giving you a little bit of guidance as to solo owners. That's pretty self-explanatory. Growing micro businesses, usually 2 to 5 employees and around $500,000 to $1 million in annual revenue. Again, giving you the guidance as to what is it that you want to go after. Just to give you an example, in my own firm, Fortified Accounting, our businesses, our clients, are corporations with funded money, like funded VC money. And so while the team may be small, they can get up to 10, 15, 25, $30 million very quickly because they have aggressive growth and investment money behind them. Let's keep going with your options here. Small teams, usually 6 to 20 employees and under $5 million in revenue. And established companies, 20 or more employees and roughly $5 million to $20 million or more in revenue. Believe it or not, this is actually a place where you could have clients because there's a lot of companies that want to grow, but they don't want to necessarily hire a full-time team. And their needs may be such that they only need part-time help. And that's where we come in. So now it says type your choice below in plain English. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to say growing micro businesses. And I'm going to go ahead and enter. And you can see it says, okay, perfect. So now we have the next step. And here are the best niches. Dental practices with 2 to 5 employees. This is the strongest match. Second option, other healthcare practices similar to dental offices, such as chiropractic, physical therapy clinics. So now you see that you can start with the dental offices, but once you have 2, 3, 4 clients in this space, you could expand into these other like-minded practices that are still within the same healthcare industry. I think we're going to say that we're going to stick with the first option. So it says, let's put this into action. Here's a friendly message you can use. Again, I have a couple of resources that I have for sale. And if you have invested in the Kickstart Your Bookkeeping Business bundle, all of these resources are inside of that bundle already. The Nisha, the Niche Matchmaker, the Profit Booster, the booked PDF book that I wrote that has a lot of different resources and guidance as to how to get clients. But for now, you can see that I'm already giving you some of this, okay? But I want to make sure that we are selecting. So I'm going to say this. Say, I want to stick to the first option only for now. Let's revise the messaging to attract those clients. So you can see that this is interactive. Since this, we're focusing only on dental practices with 2 to 5 employees, everything about your message should make a dental office owner think she understands my world. She meaning the bookkeeper. It could be a he as well. So you can see here is the first message. You could be like, let's say, hi, Kathy. I help growing dental practices with smaller teams stay on top of their bookkeeping cleanup. And you can read it for yourself. Now, let me give you 2 short variations so you can choose keeping with that message. And the reason I'm highlighting it is because we're going to do something real in the next prompt. So it's a short and conversational version. Hi, Kathy. I work with dental practices that have small teams. Okay, so there it is. Referral focused. In other videos, I have mentioned when you reach out to people that you know, and maybe they don't have a need for your services, but they may know somebody that does. You're going to help them help you. And so if it's a referral focused version, you're going to say, I'm focusing my bookkeeping work on dental practices. You're saying, hey, if you know a dentist who might need this kind of support, I would really appreciate an introduction. Here is how to use this starting today. I give you next steps as to how you can start using this message. We picked the niche first. And then we're personalizing and customizing the message depending on who you're going to reach out to or what are the circumstances. Are you doing direct outreach to somebody you know? Or are you doing direct outreach to somebody that you know they may be able to make an introduction for you? And then from there, I'm telling you, send this message to former coworkers. I say from dental offices because remember at the beginning I said, hey, I used to work in a dentist office. Send it to vendors you worked with like dental reps, office managers that you still know. Use it as an introduction when someone asks, what do you do? Copy and paste it into a simple email or LinkedIn message. Remember, like in your bios, you could revise it for your bio as well. So that's what I want to do next. So here I'm going to say, help me come up with a tagline for my email signature and my LinkedIn bio. Sticking with this message. Make it sound more conversational, not so stuffy. I'm just using language that you might use because you may not have the right terminology. And I want to show you how I have been training this bot over the last few months to just be able to work at different levels. I always want to give you more than one option, and that's what you're seeing right now. Below are conversational tagline options you can use for both your email signature and LinkedIn bio. You can copy and paste exactly as written, or you can personalize it more to your words that you use. So simple and warm, helping busy dental offices keep their books clean, current, and stress-free. Another one, bookkeeping for growing dental practices. It could be the tagline for your website and the hero image at the very top. Whatever the name of your bookkeeping service is, then underneath it could say, bookkeeping for growing dental practices by someone who has worked in a dental office. And you can see here are the other ones. I always give you more than one option. And that's why it's so powerful because the thing is, as you begin to answer the prompts, you can drill down even further. And that's what I want to see you, the power of Nisha, the niche matchmaker. It's not just about helping you to select your niche, it has been trained to helping you come up with other things to use, right? You can see for your email signature, put the tagline directly under your name and title. Again, I'm giving you more guidance. For LinkedIn, here, if you said, give it to me for my bio for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever it is that you use, okay? And so it says, reply and tell me which one. Now, I want to show you what else we can do. Say, help me draft a more conversational message I can send out to previous coworkers based on the first message. And all I did was copy and paste. That initial one does use a little bit more professional language because that's the way I trained it, because it is easier to make it more conversational or friendly if it starts with a professional sounding one. And so here you can see, maybe you want to do it in your voice a little bit more. But by asking Nisha, the niche matchmaker, to help you draft a more conversational one, it gives you more options. The friendly and natural catching up tone, short, relaxed, and easy to send, slightly more direct, but still warm. And so usually this is a typical one that you can personalize even further. I always say when I have another resource, it's a free resource, Contacts to Clients, and I encourage you to reconnect with past contacts. And it could be friends, family, friends of friends, ex-coworkers, bosses, supervisors, people that you went to school with, that you went to college with, that you took some sort of class with. Just real quick, one of my colleagues was somebody that I met in an art class more than 10 years ago. You just don't know. You need to just think about it. If it's somebody like that, you could reach out. It's like you could reconnect by reminding them of the time that you spent together, that you did something together. You can start to recognize when you use this type of tool, it's not just about selecting or narrowing down your niche. It's about seeing the opportunity to not only expand beyond that niche as long as it's within the industry, but it is also about helping you to customize and personalize the message that you're going to use, the different mediums that you're going to be using to connect with prospects or potential clients, whether it's on your website, your email signature, social media posts, or anything else where they may land. You want to make sure that you are always ready to make a very good, strong first impression and help them to recognize and self-qualify that they have landed in the right place. Especially if, let's say, it's a dentist office looking for a bookkeeper who knows their industry. And that is because in that PDF that I wrote a couple of months ago, I have 7 specific examples and with resources and other templates and formats and scripts that I have used in the past, even as currently as in the last 6 months, that work today, that worked 12 years ago, 14 years ago, 5 years ago, that worked last year in 2025, whenever you're watching this video. This is just a little snippet of that, and I hope that it helps you to get to know it better. Let me start another prompt and walk you through that even faster. Now, here we are again. I'm going to go to this. Show me 3 profitable industries I could start with. I haven't told it what experience I have, where I used to work, nothing like that. It gives you a little bit of guidance, an introduction as to why you want to select a niche. This is important to me. That's why I've included it here, because not everybody understands the opportunity and the profitability that exists when you narrow down the industry that you want to specialize in. Here, it's just telling you very open without knowing anything. It's just telling you here are 3 profitable industries you could start with right away from the Profit Booster. And the Profit Booster is that PDF that I created with 1,000 industries. Now, the way that works is I have given you a list of 100 industries, and within each industry, I give you 10 sub-industries. Just like the dentist, you saw the chiropractor or physical therapy. Those are other niches within the same niche of the wellness industry. So you can see here health practices such as dental, physical therapy, or mental health offices, online creatives and digital marketing agencies, content creators, online service providers. Another one, home services. This is such a profitable area. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC, because they use very specific terminology. So when you create the messaging, let's actually work with this. I want to focus on this. And I'm just copying and pasting it. Then I can ask it to give me very specific messaging with language that's going to be identified by these types of industry business owners, because then they will self-qualify. Right here, it's giving you a little bit more definition, okay? And I'm just going to skip this, bypass it, because I want to show you what you can do. You can say, help me draft an outreach message I can send via email to plumbers using language and terms they will recognize to help them know I am the one for them. I'm using very basic language so that you can see you can use this chat bot to help you, to guide you because of all the documents that I have fed it, that I've trained it with. Keeping your plumbing business book simple and under control. And you can see here's its drafted language. And there it is, tracking job expenses, field costs, payroll, and making sure the departments line up. Now, if you don't offer payroll, then you would just omit that. Customize it and personalize it to make it your own. But what I'm showing you here is that by selecting the industry, whatever you're going to specialize in, and by customizing that messaging, many plumbers I support deal with things like you're helping them to self-qualify. And you could always add a link here to your calendar where they can book a call with you, or what's the best way to get a hold of you. And don't forget that you're going to have your email signature. And your email signature, as we saw in the previous prompt, should have a tagline, okay? And some of these things you can just fix if you need to, but it's pretty strong. I hope that you can see the power of Nisha, the niche matchmaker, and the opportunity in selecting an industry to specialize in. You do not have to stay in that industry for long. You just start to get momentum. And by the way, you start to get a good reputation. If you do a great job, those business owners will recommend you to somebody else. They are always doing things in some sort of networking event, and they will talk amongst themselves and they're like, man, my bookkeeper just retired, or I had to fire my bookkeeper because she wasn't getting me numbers in time. Whatever the need, the other person will say, oh my God, you got to get a hold of my bookkeeper. She's amazing. He's fantastic. They do a great job. Here's their contact information. I hope that just this little walkthrough has given you enough behind the scenes look to get you excited and to help you to see the opportunity and the profit behind niching down or selecting an industry that you can specialize in. To start with, if there's one thing I hope this walkthrough made clearer for you, it's this. Niching down is not about limiting yourself. It's about helping the right clients connect with you and recognize you faster as someone that can help them in their business. And in turn, they will trust you soon. Nisha, the niche matchmaker, is designed to help you move past that feeling or thought of, I'll take anyone phase, and into clear, confident positioning, messaging, without locking you into this path or this niche forever. If you want to learn more about Nisha, the niche matchmaker, or any of the resources that I mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links in the description of this video. And if you're starting, building, or growing a profitable bookkeeping business, be sure to check out my signature video series of Start and Grow a Profitable Bookkeeping Business. It should be showing up on your screen next. So you can continue to learn step by step, or it's there in case you need a little refresher. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I'm Veronica Sagastumi. Bye for now.